I tried all sorts of medicine, but that didn't work. I'm Sheila Sen. I'm a designer by profession. I work with a lot of fabrics and clothes. As a result of that, I have a lot of cutting and all going on with a lot of fine dust coming into my nose. So I get this sneezing, and as a result of that, I get heaviness in my head and cold and the sinus attack. So I tried all sorts of medicine, but that didn't work. But then I came to know about the Sinocure, which my cousin recommended me, and it gave me complete cure. I'm really happy with this medicine. I would recommend this to most of you all who are suffering from sinus and this heaviness and the sinus cavities get cleared like anything. So I wish you all the best and get well soon and get healed.